LS Simple Man here with you. Got the 55 Chevrolet. Got the LS Simple kit on there, black with truck spacing, using the F-body water pump with a 3/4 spacer kit. Give us a steam vent, and running the Harrison high mount AC. Got to get our vintage air in the dash and get the lines finished up, but got him running good here. Got Hydro Boost brakes on it. Put tilt steering in it. This bad boy will go and it will stop. Drives really well. It's got all digital gauges, which made it easy because now all the signals were there, and everything calibrated except for I still lack an RPM. I got to run my little feeder wire for it, and then I'll have that bad boy going. Made our own tilt steering, so the steering wheel's not in your gut. I still got a doodad in my center up here. I get that finished. Vintage air in here. I'm gonna put all the controls right here, and then tie it into the Harrison high mount. www.lssimple.net, because com was taken.